Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to apply a simple function in CSS. So function, which is a name is called something and followed by open and end parenthesis will be called as function. Like CALC, open and end parenthesis means this will be called as it's a function, name of the function. So let's see, by applying calc function to how we are going to using the calculations, creating a div element stretches across the window, creating a div element that stretches across the window with a 50 px gap between both sides, the div and the edges of a particular window, how it will be applied using calc method like calc function. So let's see very simply how I am taking a div element. So this is a div element, div text goes here and observe the calc function effect. Okay, so for this I am implementing like ID I'll implement here. So the ID name CALC, I'll put CALC calc. Okay, now I'll implement now this particular ID, I'll put hash CALC, yeah, calc. Now here I am writing. Okay, so what I am writing, first I'm taking position is absolute position, and now left I'm specifying it's a 50 px of distance I am taking as a left. So width, like a width, in a width I am applying CALC, okay, calc method. So this name I am trying to changing, what we take, div1 I am taking. Okay, so maybe you may confused which is the name and method and all, so I am changing this one is div1. So this is the way we are go. Okay, the ID applied here. So width using calc method, open and parenthesis here with 100%, with width is 100% minus 140 px I am going to applying for the surroundings, and border I am taking for a box, it's a very commonly 1 px solid, we may take like a black or something we may put. Okay, once the border is completed, BG color, we want to see the box very clearly, the BG color yellow, red, green, blue, sky blue, whatever it, I like most this deep sky blue. Let's see, light sky blue or deep sky blue, we'll see deep sky blue. Okay, and padding surrounding the text, it may be 10 px or 5 px or let's take 10 px. And one more, text alignment, if any text which is added inside something to this div, I'm going to taking is and center, so CENTER. so it's over my properties which I am added here. Now this ID is added to this div element, so refresh and check it. Wow, so the surrounded of this text box, this box is applied 50-50 which is the making, and as alignment of center it is applying. This is the width 100% minus 140 it is applying, surrounded both sides, it's like px's are reduced, and border it is applying background color and padding, and text alignment is center, all the things are applied for this thing. And the calculations, this method, using this method to making both ends, if we want to control both ends, just simply use the calculation method, and how it should be required to you can apply very easily this particular options. So I hope it's very easy to apply for this calc method wherever it is required in your application. While writing of CSS code, you may try to apply and implement as you wish to implement the programs. So CSS code is here. So I hope it's very simple lecture. So we'll go in next lecture. Thank you.